I installed taller risers on the Dyna and ordered longer control cables to accommodate the change. When the cables came in, I measured them. So this is, for example, the throttle cable. It was supposed to be 33 and 3/4 inches long. So the way you measure them is starting from the nut that's screwed in all the way to the end of the Bowden sheath, and you can see that it is exactly 33 and 3/4 inches. But when I went to install the cables, I couldn't install them for the life of me, and generally speaking, it's a really easy job. I spent about 10 minutes trying, and then it finally hit me. So this is the cable that came out of this bike, and this is the cable that I ordered. Look at the difference. You see a problem here? So this is another oversized cable, throttle cable. So I think you can see that the difference between the Bowden sheath and the inner wire should be about 5 inches. In this particular case, it's about 3.5 inches. So before you install your cables, make sure that they're the right length, measure the Bowden sheath, and then make sure that you have 5 inches difference between the inner cable and the Bowden sheath. Same thing applies to the idle cables as well. You can see that we've got about 5 inches here.